Bodie here. Why are we here? What's the situation, and
We
how
are
bad is it? What goes on?
Because my little dog, I've worked out where you get the phrase sick as a dog from, and it's Bodie in the car. And I don't think it's motion sickness. You can go down the bottom of the road and he's shaking and terrified and tried short journeys, long journeys. We've tried homeopathy. We've tried, getting him in the car for a week without the engine running, then done a week with the engine running. Yeah. We have tried in the last 6-7 months, I think, absolutely everything apart from yourselves.
Right, okay, no problem.
Come on, come on. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Get a nice place. Quiet mind is a mind that you can then teach.